We're here at Veterans Memorial Skate Park out in Boulder City, or as most people call it, just the Boulder City Skate Park. It's at the corner of Veterans Memorial Drive and Buchanan in Boulder City. It's another park in Vegas that's kind of got two distinct sections. Let's take a look. We'll start off in the small section and then work our way over to the larger section. Smaller section used to be a lot better in my opinion. They changed it out about 2 or 3 years ago. Now it's a metal surface on it and little prefab ramps. So this being the desert, do not come skate this in the middle of summer. It will burn you. It will not be fun at all. But overall, some little boxes to practice on, a little weird little pyramid, a little quarter in the end, kind of interesting little bank to table. That's not too bad of a little obstacle. And then a really narrow, about 4 foot tall mini ramp. It does have standard coping though, unlike a lot of these prefab parks that have the kind of one-piece coping. It's set pretty nice, but it's just kind of really narrow. Should have been at least 4 feet wider to be more useful. Now onto the bigger section. It's really starting to show its age, but it's got a bigger quarter pipe. Then you have a launch ramp with some other rails on the side. I'll show you those in a second. And then another about 6 foot tall quarter pipe on the other end. As you can see from the wood, it's starting to rot away. Someone's made an impromptu kind of foam pit thing going on top, but then you see the landing. It's even starting to chunk out, so still really usable and fun for bikes, but if you're on a skateboard, a rollerblade, scooter, anything like that, you really got to watch out for that landing. Coming along the other side, little round rail ledge, and then a little spine. Spine's a bit goofy. As you see, they took like the same exact radius from the big quarter pipes and then just cut it about 2 foot short, so it never really goes to vert. So it's kind of weird, but it still works. And then there is coping on the back side of this ledge, but seeing how the spine's there, makes it kind of unusable. And then once again, just showing you that's kind of what all the wood is starting to look like. So it's really kind of in bad shape out here right now. See, missing some pieces. But like I said, for a bike, still really fun because you're not going to notice any of that stuff. For anything else, this bigger side is getting almost to the point where it's really too sketchy to ride.